I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen powder. First, choose a high-quality collagen powder that suits your needs. Most brands recommend 1 to 2 scoops per serving, so measure that amount carefully. You can easily mix it into hot or cold liquids like water, coffee, or juice. Stir it well until the powder completely dissolves, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable drink. Collagen powder is incredibly versatile and can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routine. Many people love adding it to their morning coffee or tea, or blending it into their favorite fruit smoothies. You can also stir it into foods like oatmeal, yogurt, or even a warm bowl of soup. For a creative twist, try baking it into recipes such as muffins or pancakes. It's a simple way to boost your intake. Using collagen consistently is key to experiencing its full benefits. Regular intake can support healthier skin, stronger hair, and more comfortable joints over time. If you plan to use it in many different foods and drinks, an unflavored collagen powder is often the best choice for maximum versatility. Remember, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice, especially if you have specific health concerns. To get the most out of your collagen powder, remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day. Proper hydration supports its absorption. Also, pairing collagen with vitamin C can enhance its synthesis within your body, so consider adding a vitamin C-rich food or supplement. And speaking of great finds, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.